And they say there are 10 insights. The 10 doors are there. Ascension, your consciousness. Now the consciousness must rise to the infinite dimension. Is it outside? Yes. Is it inside? Yes. Because there it is said that the universe, infinite dimension from finite, from third dimension to the infinite dimension, is segregated in 7 layers. Generally, the Westerners, they say that it is 7th dimension. It is not 7th dimension. It is infinite dimension, but it is the 7 segregation which are there. And that is what in the Gayatri you say, Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha. So, Bhu means third dimension, Prithvilok. Bhurva means a higher dimension, and in between third and the Bhurva, there are many dimensions. Then from Bhurva to the Swarga Loka, that is another dimension. There are several dimensions. Then Swarga Loka to Mahar Loka is another dimension. There are many dimensions. And Mahar Loka to Jan Loka, there are many dimensions. And Jan Loka to Siddha Loka, there are many dimensions. That is infinite dimension. And Siddha Loka to Brahma Loka, this is a phenomena of infinite dimensions. And they all are within you. Because the Chiti, the Kundalini, it starts from Muladhara. And when you do the Shiva Yoga sadhana, it starts rising. So when it is there in the Muladhara, your consciousness is stuck in the third dimension. You have not been able to ascend. So only Roti Kapra Makan, that is your priority. The Pashubha, food, sex, shelter. Then when you rise up, the Kundalini, when it rises to Swadhisthana, then the consciousness has reached to the Bhurva Loka, which is above Pitru Loka. So you will not become a Pitru of somebody, you will become a divine being. And then from here it enters into Swarga Loka. Once it enters into Manipur after traveling, I'll be teaching you how it is there. It's a very deep subject, but I will teach you so much that you will learn thoroughly. And then when the Kundalini rises, it is the Sushumna is the passage, reaches to Anahata. Then your consciousness reaches to a very high dimension. It's called Maharloka. All great divine beings are there. And when it reaches up to Vishuddhi, it is Janaloka. They say the Brahma, the creator, is resting here. And then once it goes up to the Ajna Chakra, then it is called Siddha Loka. All the holy Siddhas, all the self-realized masters, they are established here. And then from here, when it reaches to the Sahasrara, that is Brahmaloka. That is a God's dimension. Now, whatever name you give to the God, it is okay with all Shiva Yogis. Because it is the infinite, supreme, which is a state of Nirguna Nirakara. There is no Akar, there is no Guna, it's beyond that. So there is a journey within to reach to the infinite consciousness. And there are 10 doors. So the disciple asks, what happens when first door is open? So the Guru explained. Second door when it opens, what are the changes? The Guru will explain. Third, fourth. And when the Guru says the 10th door is open, so then the disciple says, then what happened? So the master says, आपको आप जी के दर्शन होंगे. आपको आप जी के दर्शन होंगे। एंड दैट इज द स्टेट व्हेन वी से शिवोहम शिवोहम शिवा स्वरूपम।